everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to our EPS class. My dear students, you all know that we have started our second lesson. In that, we have completed concept 2.1, that is our Earth. Alright students? Do you remember what we have learned in that lesson? Yes, very good. We have learned different things about our Earth. In that, you have seen different movements of the Earth. Can you tell me names of the movements? Yes, rotation and revolution are the two main movements of the Earth. Now, in today's session, we are going to start our second point, that is concept 2.2, latitudes and longitudes. Have you heard this word before? Yes, alright. Okay, so today we will see more information about what is latitude and what is longitude. Alright. Now, tell me students, how many main directions are there? Yes, very good. There are 4 main directions. Can you tell me names of that main directions? Yes, very good. North, south, east, west. These are the 4 main directions. Which are the 4 main directions? North, south, east and west. Alright. Now, look at the board. Have you seen this type of needle anywhere? Yes, very good. We have seen this type of needle on the maps as well as globe. Many times we have seen it. We have also seen it in compass. Alright. Do you know that this upper side direction or upper side needle, it shows N. N means North Pole. Which pole? North Pole. Then this is downside S. It shows South Pole. What does it shows? South Pole. Okay. And here east and west. Understood? Okay. These are the 4 main directions. And these are the 2 main poles, that are North Pole and South Pole. North Pole is on the top. Alright. And it shows north direction. Which direction it shows? Very good. It shows north. North Pole is towards the north direction. And the South Pole, it is at the bottom. And what does it show? Yes, it shows south direction. Okay. Understood? Okay. This needle, the upper side, we are having North Pole, and downside at the bottom side we are having South Pole. This North Pole shows north direction and this South Pole shows south direction. Alright? Understood? Okay. Then these two shows east as well as west direction. Understood students? Okay. Now let us learn about what is latitude and what is longitude. Okay. So here you can see I have drawn some lines here also and here also. Understood? So here I have drawn some horizontal lines. Which lines? Some horizontal lines. Do you know? On our Earth, if we draw such imaginary horizontal lines, these lines are called as latitudes. Understood? See, here you can see I have drawn some lines, but which lines these are? Yes, these are horizontal lines. Which lines these are? horizontal lines. And these lines are nothing but latitudes. Okay. So here you can see, suppose you can consider this diagram as our earth. Okay. You can consider these diagrams as our earth. Here I have drawn on the first diagram, I have drawn some horizontal line, and in the second diagram I have drawn some vertical lines. Horizontal means slipping lines and vertical means some standing lines. Understood? Okay. So these horizontal lines you can see here. Horizontal lines and vertical lines. Alright. So horizontal are slipping line and vertical means standing line. Understood? Okay. These lines or these imaginary lines we have drawn on the earth. So these lines are called as latitudes, and these vertical lines are called as longitude. Understood? Okay. The imaginary vertical lines are latitudes and the imaginary horizontal lines are called as longitudes. Understood? Okay. Now let us read more about these latitudes and longitudes. Here we can also say that these lines are at the some equal distance. Okay, it is having equal distance in the lines. So these lines are denoted through degrees. Understood? First is 0 degree. Then you can see 15 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree and so on. Okay. This upper side, which pole is this? Yes, North Pole. And the down side is South Pole. Okay. Here you can see the equal distance of these latitudes. In the same way, longitudes, these are also having the equal distance among them. Okay. So first one is of 0 degree. Okay. Here also we can do 15 degree, 30 degree. Then here if I have drawn more, then it will be 45 degree and so on. Understood? Okay. Now let us read difference between latitudes and longitudes. I hope you have understood the basic concept of latitudes and longitudes. Okay? Now let us read about it. Now, what is meant by latitude? These are imaginary horizontal lines around the earth running from east to west. Okay? These lines are the imaginary lines on the earth or around the earth which runs from east to west. Okay? It runs from east to west. Understood? Then the second point about the longitude. It is these are the imaginary vertical lines connecting the North Pole and South Pole. Understand? These are the imaginary horizontal lines. And what do they do? Yes, they connect North Pole to the South Pole. Here you can see the line connect North Pole to the South Pole, as these are vertical lines. So these are vertical lines. Okay. Then here next point is the equator is the imaginary line that divides the earth into two equal or two horizontal halves. Alright. Here I have drawn a line with a black marker. Okay. This line is at 0 degree. What is the name of this line? Yes, it is equator. Okay. Equator. What is this line? It is equator. Alright students, now see, this line is equator. This is an imaginary line which divides Earth into two horizontal halves. Now what this equator do? Yes, this equator it divides Earth into two equal halves, but horizontally. Okay, this equator divides our Earth into two equal horizontal halves. Understood? Okay, and this each half is known as hemisphere. What is it? What is this? It is nothing but hemisphere. So the upper side hemisphere is northern hemisphere and downside to the south direction. So it is called as southern hemisphere. Understood? Okay. Then here also we have same. This 0 degree line is prime meridian, or that side line is 180 degree. It is having two horizontal lines which divides our Earth vertically. Okay. So here we will read that point. The prime meridian and 180 degree meridian are imaginary lines that divide the Earth into two vertical halves. Okay. Here we have seen the equator divides Earth horizontally, but this prime meridian and 180 degree meridian divides our Earth into two equal halves, that is western hemisphere and eastern hemisphere. Understood? Here you can see eastern and western hemisphere. Here we were having northern hemisphere towards the south, southern hemisphere. Here we have eastern hemisphere, and here towards the west we have western hemisphere. Understood students? Okay. Then here you can see the third point is latitudes are used to study the different climatic zone. Now why do we have drawn these lines? As we know, these are imaginary lines. Why do we draw that line? How they help us? Yes, these latitudes help us to study different climatic zone. Understood? Here, as we know that we are having different climate at the north, and we also have different climate at the south. So we can say that we study with the help of these latitudes different climatic zone. And what is the use of longitudes then? Yes, these longitudes help us to know the different time zones. Understand? What do we do with these longitudes? Yes, we study different time zones. Understood? Okay. Now I want to tell you one more important point. Okay. See here. I will draw here only. See, if we are drawing these imaginary lines on the Earth, these lines intersect each other. Okay. They cross each other at some point. Okay. You can see here, as I am drawing, these lines, these are crossing each other. Here you can see some points where these lines are crossing each other, and these lines are nothing but coordinates. Understood? What is meant by coordinates? Yes, latitude and longitude. They cross each other and we get one point. Here you can see the point. Here also I will draw for you. Okay. See here. You can see different points. We are getting different points, and these points are nothing but coordinates. And with the help of these coordinates, we can tell location of a place. Understand? See here. You can see on the globe there are different latitudes and longitudes which shows the coordinates. Understand? With the help of globe you can tell these different coordinates of a place. Why do we have that coordinates? Yes, very good. We have these coordinates to study location of a place. Understood, students? Alright. If you have any problem regarding this, you can ask. Alright. You have to write this difference in your notebook. Alright, students, and you have to draw these diagrams also. Okay. We will see next point in the next session. Till that time, thank you.